In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work on your single leg stability whilst also turning your head from side to side. So this is a fantastic exercise that I would give to people at the end of vestibular training. If you're not interested in training your vestibular, it's also a fantastic exercise for those that do sport, where they are quickly finding themselves on one leg and then quickly having to move in an opposite direction. So for example, rugby player gets the ball, they're slightly off balance, they have to quickly move the ball and they have to quickly move their head whilst keeping balance. So all you're going to do is you're going to do all the principles of a normal single leg balance. So you're going to get your balance in this position. Find a point that you can focus on. So I'm using the camera and I'm going to just move my head and not my body to the right and back to the camera. And I'm then looking to stabilize to the left, to the camera, to the right, to the camera. Then when I make it harder, I'm going to go left, right, camera, left, right, camera. And then if I want to make it even harder, I'd be going left, right, left, right, left, right, without looking at a stable point that I can look in front of me to. So if you're doing that and you find that you're all over the place, you're losing balance, you feel like you're going to fall over, what you might want to do is just have a wall in front of you or to the side. I'm going to show you in this what I would do. So let's say, for example, I'm doing my single leg, and all of a sudden I feel really dizzy. I can quickly use one hand to grab onto the wall. You might want to use a fixed resistance object, or if you have this in front of you, you can just fall straight in front of it. And that way you're going to take the risk out of the exercise, so you're not going to feel like falling over, or if you do feel like falling over, you can quickly grab something. That's how to work your single leg balance whilst also training your vestibular as well.